What's up, guys? I want to talk to you about the next item to accomplish on the chassis. We're going to have our main man, John, address our shift linkage. And this is the factory linkage. We're going to not really show video of us doing the work, but we're going to emery cloth the areas that go in the bushing, and then we're going to paint it so it doesn't rust inside the tunnel. And we'll just come back with the next video showing it all done. So we got it all painted up and ready for installation. So this is an early chassis. I don't know if I can get in there and show it, but it doesn't need a plastic bushing. It says the metal one. As long as the sleeve is good, we'll just lube it up, and that's what we're gonna do.
I'm on a new level. Some people don't even know. Don't even know. I'm just getting started. Here we are in this predicament. I've been my time. Now I'm sick of that.
So this is a 20mm by 1.0 thread chaser. Put the faux heater knobs, the billet heater knobs that we make, we put them on here. We're back. 6 shooters are on sale right now, which are our clutch adjusters, replace the wing nuts. $24.95, include shipping to the lower 48 states. We also have powder coated for an upcharge. We have stainless steel for an upcharge. Let's show you. So 6 shooter is a clutch adjustment nut that replaces the wing nut. Comes with instructions. Comes in this fine skin packed Airkewld packaging. And it actually has the little football shapes to kind of fit into the lever. Description, link down below. Alright, guys.
Yeah, I walk with broken feet, generations on my back. All the secrets that I keep got me shackled by my past. I can feel it buzzing, no I can't do nothing. I can hear the trumpets, flowers on the coffin. Change is coming. Change is coming. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Change is coming. You can fight it if you want, but some wars you just can't win. Keep on punching underwater, but you'll never hit a thing. Yeah. Now all my blood is rushing. Here's the repercussion. Yeah. It's like all of a sudden someone pushed a button. Change is coming. Yeah, change is coming. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Change is coming. Yeah, change is coming. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Change is coming. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Yeah. Change is coming, change is coming, change is coming. Yeah. Change is coming. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Change is coming. Yeah. Yeah, change is coming. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Change is coming. I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna do it my way. Like my daddy used to say, we the lions, not the prey. I'ma do it my way. You so scared of losing, I find that amusing. I'm the revolution, challenging the movement. I got a whole lot of fire burning in these veins. I'm a 747, you're a paper plane. Ha. I'ma do it my way, my way. I'ma do it my way, my way. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this. Like a teacher to his kids, lesson learned, class dismissed.